Okay, good morning students. So last class the discuss the topic is so the maximum height and range, okay, and time of flight. So already we know that time of flight. So what is the time of flight? So the projection of the vertical or projection of the body in a air before to reach the ground. So is called as a time of flight. So the derivation of the equation, so that is T is equal to u sin theta by g. So already we know that is the time of flight. So T is equal to 2u sin theta by g. And so also to find out the maximum height. So the projectile is projecting with the initial velocity u and some making angle theta with the horizontal. So that take to reach the horizontal, so the maximum vertical displacement, okay, so the maximum vertical displacement of a projectile during in a motion is called as a maximum height. So the maximum height, so the equation of the maximum height, so already so in the last class to derivation of the maximum height, so h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, clear that. Now, so the next discuss the topic also range. What is the range? So range is nothing but so maximum horizontal displacement or distance. Maximum horizontal distance or displacement is called as a range. So range in another words distance or displacement is also taken. Now to find out the range, so already we know that range equation, so r is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. So sin 2 theta, so sin 2 theta is equal 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay, 2 sin theta and cos theta is equal sin 2 theta. Okay, clear that. So now today, so discuss the another problem. So that is, if theta is angle of projection, if theta is angle of projection, okay, clear that, or is the range taken, and h is the maximum height, h is the maximum height. Also capital T is the time of flight, capital T is the time of flight, and show that. So show that so a tan theta is equal to 4h by r. Show that tan theta is equal 4h by r, and h is equal to g t square by 8, and also show that h is equal to g t square by 8. Okay, so the simplification is taken from the problem. So the theta is the angle and r is the range, h is the maximum height, t is the time of flight. Then show that. Okay, then show that is the tan theta is equal 4h by r and h is equal g t square by 8. Okay, now so already we know that some information, some formulas. So that is the maximum height, h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. And so the range, r means range. So range is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, so now time of flight, so t is equal to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, so now show that the tan theta is equal 4h by r. So h by r is taken, h divided with r. So now equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So h by r, so that is taken equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 divided with equation 2. Okay, so the taken equations h maximum, okay, h maximum by r is the range. So that is equal to u square sin square theta by u square sin 2 theta by, okay, sin 2, so that is nothing but 2g by, so u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, now h maximum is r by r is equal to, so u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, u square sin square theta by 2g, and so the denominator is taken to reverse. So g by u square sin 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 2 theta. And so now the simplification, h by r is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, so into, now taken g by u square sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta also we can write the 2 sin theta and cos theta. So u square 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so here u square cancel and g also cancel. Sin theta, 1 sin theta are cancel. Okay, h by r, so remaining equation, so we can write, so that is the sin theta 1 is remaining, and so the denominator is taken only cos theta, 2 into 2, that is the sin theta by 4 cos theta. Okay, clear that. And h by r is equal sin theta by cos theta, write in tan theta. Okay, tan theta by 4, and cross multiplication is taken, and that is taken h is tan theta. Okay, so h is equal, now we can write it up, prove that the tan theta is equal 4h by r. Tan theta is equal, okay, tan theta is equal 4 into h, 4h by r is taken. Okay, got it. So here the taken, so the equation divided with respect to equation 2, and simplification we get, so sin theta by cos theta and tan theta, so tan theta by 4, and cross multiplication is taken, that is the tan theta is equal to 4 into h, 4h by r. Okay, clear that. And so now another equation, that is show that, so h is equal to gt square by 8. Okay, h is equal gt square by 8. Now h is equal maximum height. Already we know that maximum height is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. And so remaining equation, that is the time of flight. So t is equal to u sin theta by g. So now equation 1 divided by equation 3. Okay, so that is taken h by r is equal, so h u square sin square theta by 2g by r. R is taken 2u sin theta by g. Okay, 2u sin theta by g. And so now h by r is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g into. Okay, now we can write the in reverse. So g by 2u sin theta. Okay, so u square and one of the u is cancelled, and so g cancel. So sin, one of the sin theta is cancelled. Okay, so remaining equation we get h by r is equal. So one of the equation is taken. So 2u sin theta by g. So 2u sin theta by is taken, the both sides square. So square is taken. That is the equation. So u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay. So next, so squaring on both sides. So equation 3, squaring on both sides. So squaring is nothing but 4u square sin square theta by g square. Okay, clear that. And so now we can write the equation. So h by r is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g into g square by 4u square sin square theta. Okay, so g cancel, and u square sin square theta are cancel. So remaining equation, so we can write the g by 8. So g by 8. Now, so h is equal, cross multiplication is taken, h is equal gt square by 8. gt square by 8. Okay, now prove that. So that is the equation 1 divided by equation 3, h by r, not r, is taken time of flight t. So equation 2, squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides is taken t square. Okay, now is taken the t square. So that is here the taken, that is the time of flight t square. So the t square squaring on both sides, squaring is taken, and cross multiplication, and so remaining equation h is equal g into t square gt square by 8, and here the show that the h is equal gt square by 8. Okay, clear that. Now, so another problem is taken, that is show that the maximum height, reached by a projectile launched at an angle 45 degrees is one of quarter of its range. Okay, so the show that, so maximum height is taken h maximum. Okay, so reached by a projectile launched at an angle 45 degrees. Theta is taken 45 degrees. Okay, so is one of quarter of its range. Quarter of its range. Okay, that is now prove that h is equal r by 4 to show that. Okay, clear that. So that is taken r be the range, h is the maximum height. Already discussed the topic. What is the maximum height? What is the range? So maximum height, h maximum is taken. So h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g, u square sin square theta by 2g, equation 1. And so now another is taken range. So range r is equal u square sin 2 theta by g, that is equation 2. Okay, equation 2. And so now equation 1, h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g, and range is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. So equation 1 divided equation 2, that is taken h by r is equal u square. So u square sin square theta by 2g. Okay, by u square sin 2 theta by g. Now we get u square sin square theta by 2g into, so g by u square sin 2 theta, we can write this 2 sin theta cos theta. So u square 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so g are cancelled, u square cancel, sin cancel. Okay, so remaining equation h by r is equal sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is taken tan theta. By remaining is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so h by r is equal, if condition is taken, so the projectile is launched at an angle of theta is equal 45 degrees, and so substituting 45 degrees, so tan 45, is equal 1. So that equation h by r is equal to 1 by 4. So h is equal, cross multiplication is taken, h is equal r by 4. Okay, so r by 4 is nothing but, so the maximum height is equal to the quarter of its range. Okay, now so another method is also taken. So this is called as one of the method, and now taken the another method is also possible. Okay, right. So h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. So h is equal, u square is taken u square. Okay, so sin square theta, so theta is equal, so that is the launched at an angle 45 degrees. So that is taken sin theta, so sin 45 whole square by 2g. Okay, so h is equal u square sin 45 is equal 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square by 2g. Okay, so now here the substituting equation u square. So square and root cancel. So remaining equation, so u square by 4g. Okay, so now is taken range r is equal. So r is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. So u square sin 2 theta, 2 into theta is equal 45 degrees by g. So r is equal u square sin 2 theta. So 2 into 45, 290. Okay, so sine 90. So sine 90 degrees is taken by G. So sine 90 is equal, taken 1. So R is equal, remaining equation U square by G. Okay, so equation 1 and this is equation 2. These two equations are comparing. Here H is equal U square by 4G and R is equal U square by G. H is equal U square by 4G, and that meaning, so H is equal U square by G is nothing but we can write R by 4. Okay, and this is called as a second method or another method. So H is equal R by 4. H is nothing but maximum height is equal to quarter of its range. So now condition is taken, that is 45 degrees. Theta is equal 45 degrees. Okay, so thank you students. Okay, so the next discuss the another chapter. Okay, on next class.